my blade used because I moved it around. Pull the fuse out of there real fast.
So what you're telling me is this is one of them Hemi Davidsons.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I bet you my lower forks is good.
I don't know why you let the Amish steal your saddlebag.
I think if I could buy that top portion of the forks, you know.
All right, Charlie, you seen it there. Got the 2020 Road Glide started up. Sounds super healthy, and I think she's going to be a ripper. But now we're on to looking for either a parts bike or front forks, a whole front end. Actually going to just convert it into a street glide. So yeah, looking for parts now for it. But yeah, that's it for today's video. It was nice to finally hear that thing run. Sounds super healthy. So if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, any little bit helps. But that's it for today. Peace. Oh, so I didn't even mention when I was there. Well, I did mention it, but I didn't explain what happened. So he took the 2013 Street Glide out for a ride and forgot one of the bolts in the saddlebag on the left side, and the saddlebag fell off of the bike. And by the time he got home, which was probably 3 minutes from his house, my dad, he went back in his car to look for it, and the saddlebag was gone. And both sides of the road where he lost the bag are completely open. So somebody stopped and picked up the saddlebag and took it. And we put it on Facebook, just, you know, on the message board, and nobody responded to it. So somebody has an off-color orange saddlebag that will never match anything that they have, but they just picked it up and took it. But yeah, that's, I forgot to add that in there.
Oh man, that's a screaming eagler, an eagler screamer.